this is question number 19. Say a profit of 8% was made when an article was sold for $500. Say at what price should it be sold to make a profit of what? 16%. In this question, we need to get the cost price. Now get the actual value of this 8%, and then from there we'll be able to get the price whereby it is going to be sold at 16%. So let's move. We have cost price. Now cost price at this one, since profit is made, the cost percent at this point is what? 100. So cost price percent, the cost price percent is equal to what? 100%. Now selling price percent will now be equal to cost price percent plus profit, so which is 100 plus 8, and that will give us what? 108%. This is selling price percent. Now we'll say let the cost price be equal to what? C. I initialize it as C. So now what do we do? And I say selling price. Let me get a formula for calculating this cost price. Selling price is equal to selling price percent multiplied by the cost price. So now what's the selling price? Selling price is $500 is equal to 108 over 100. Remember, anything in percent must be over 100 times the cost price. So if I cross multiply, I have 500 times 100 is equal to 108 multiplied by C, which will give us 108 C. So making C the subject of the formula, I'm going to divide whatever I have here. 108, divide it by whatever thing I have here. I have 50,000, because 500 times 100 will give us 50,000 divided by what? 108, and that gives us, let me divide 50,000 divided by 108. I have $462.96, approximately $96. So this is the cost price. Now what's the actual profit? It is simply $500 minus 462.96. so if I subtract this from, I will have 37.04. okay, 04 what? Dollars. This is the profit. Now if this is the profit at 8%, at 16% is simply you are adding this extra profit to the already existing profit. So now we sold this we sold it at 500 plus 37.04, and that will give us $537.04. This is the selling price at this 16%. Bye for now.